Hello guys, today we're going over the 2011 Math Prize for Girls problem 17. So the problem states that there is a polynomial p such that for every real number x to the 512th power plus x to the 256 plus 1 is equal to x squared plus x plus 1 times p of x, wherein p is written in standard polynomial form. How many of its coefficients are non-zero? So this is pretty much asking how many terms are there in p of x. So what we can do is we can simplify this equation into x to the 512 plus x to the 511 plus x to the 510 plus all the way to x plus 1. But we have a ton of extra terms. We have to subtract x to the 511 plus x to the 510 plus all the way to x to the 257. And then we have to subtract x to the 255 all the way to x. So we want to divide all of these by x squared plus x plus 1. So first let's handle this. Let's divide this by x squared plus x plus 1. So x to the 512, we can group them by groups of 3. So let me just write out the first couple of terms, right, like so. This is just x to the 510 times x squared plus x plus 1. This is just x to the 507 times x squared plus x plus 1. And so doing this all down, we get x to the 510 plus x to the 507 plus x to the 504 plus all the way to x to the 257. Yeah, we do that all the way down to get, we do that all the way down to 1. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. So this is what we get from doing that. And so how many terms are in this equation? We can pretty easily solve this, which would just be 171. But we can do this by dividing all the factors by 3. We get x to the 170 plus x to the 169 plus all the way to x0. This is 171 terms. Now we want to find the amount of terms in this equation, which is x to the 511. So starting with x to the 511, following the same drill, we get x to the 508 plus, not x to the 508, I'm trolling, x to the 509 plus x to the 506 plus all the way to x to the 257. And so we want to find how many terms this is. And so we can first just divide by x to 256 on both sides. So we get x to 253 plus x to the 250 plus all the way to x. So let's just divide by x again, x 252 plus x 249 plus all the way to 1. Do the same thing, we divide by 3. We get x to the 84 plus x to the 83 plus all the way to x0. This is 85 terms. So this has been accounted for. And now lastly, we have to do x 255 plus all the way to x. So x 255 plus all the way to x. This is just x to the this is just x to the 253 plus x to the 250 plus all the way to x. And so what we want to do here is just divide by x again. And this is 85 terms. And so our final sum will be 171 plus 85 for a solution of 341. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Have a happy 4th of July. Peace.